Welcome to Hosco. Here's how to post jobs and find the right talent, quickly and easily. There are two ways to get your jobs on Hosco. Hosco can automatically import your jobs from your ATS or career page. Simply get in touch with our team to set it up as part of our Premium Pro services. You also have the option to post jobs manually if preferred. Once you're logged in, click Post a Job from your homepage or from the Jobs section to create a new listing. Start by selecting your job visibility. Private jobs appear only on your Hosco career page if it's linked and active on your website. This is perfect if you're driving traffic from your own website. You'll find your career page link directly on your homepage. Lite jobs are visible on your career page to all Hosco candidates and in the career centers of our partner schools. They're also shared with select external job boards. Prime jobs offer the widest reach. They include all Lite visibility plus featured placement on external sites, boosting your exposure by 5 to 10 times. Next, fill in the job details, then go to the About the Applicants section. Here, you'll define your requirements and screening criteria. Hosco will use this to sort applications into matching and non-matching groups. You can choose to manage applications directly on Hosco or redirect candidates to your own platform. This feature is available only with premium plans. Just keep in mind, redirecting can reduce completed applications by up to 80%. You'll get an email notification every time a new matching applicant comes in. You can always manage your notification settings in your account. Once your job is live, don't forget to share it on social media to boost visibility. To manage applicants, go to your job post. From there, you can review profiles and CVs, contact candidates directly, and update their application status, reviewed, hired, or rejected. Hosco will notify candidates automatically based on your updates. And that's it. You're all set to find your next great hire.